Little project for today. We have this old Hoover Lynx cordless vacuum. It's got a non-lithium battery. It's always dying super quick. We're going to convert it to Ryobi. So we'll get into that. Okay, so pulled the side off, screws all there. Had to pop the front cover off. And we're down to the battery box. Now this slips right inside, no problem. What I've done is I've drilled a hole here and a hole here. So I'm gonna pass these wires through, splice them red to red, black to black, and put it together and we should be in business. All right, it's all complete. Let's put a battery in. Battery's in, turn it on.